In this video, I am going to show you how you can load budget lines from the predefined template in Odoo. So let's do it. Let's go to the configuration and click on budget template menu. So here you can create multiple templates. I have created 2 templates. Into the template you have to write name of the template, and into the budget line you have to add basic details like budgetary position, analytic account and the planned amount. So let's load this budget template into the budget. Let's go to the budget. I will create a new budget, test 1, and I will save it. And click on the load from template button. So in this window you have to select budget template. Let's select template 2. So all the lines of the template 2 is loaded in this window. Now you can change these existing lines like this, and you can also add new lines here. Now click on this button to load these template lines into the budget lines. So all the lines are successfully loaded into the budget from the template. So if you want more videos, then stay connected.